Hi, welcome to this live demonstration of my lab one for dsci560. So the first task for this lab is the installation and setup. I'm using a computer which is based on M1 chip, and VirtualBox doesn't really support a stable version for Apple-based silicon. So I used an alternate one called UTM, and this is the graphic for the software. I'm able to do that. I'm able to open this Linux Ubuntu machine here. So yes, okay. So yeah, here I successfully logged in. And first step, let's make sure that the Python and PIP are successfully installed here. Python 3 version and PIP version. Oh, sorry, typo. Yeah, so now those two are successfully installed. The next task would be playing around with Linux terminal. Okay, for example, let's go to desktop first. And you see, this is the folder that I created for this lab, and let's go to this folder to access the files that I created before. Okay, yes, let's list it out. Let's see, there's data and scripts folder inside this folder, and let's go to scripts. You can see those files, data filter, task one, and webscript.py for this lab, and also this GECKO driver.log. This is something generated automatically if you use Selenium for your web scraper. That's what I did. So when I execute web scraper, this one is automatically updated. Okay, and then it comes to the basic Python script task one. Let's check it out together. I chose to use Nano script editor task one.py. I first input my name and print out my name. So let's see if it's working perfectly. Task underscore one.py. Input my name, output my name. Okay, great. And next one would be Python web scraping task. Web scraper. This is the URL. Copy and open up. Paste and go. We can use inspect for the element that we want to check. This one. This one contains all of the banner data that we needed. And also for the latest news, for the tags that we want here, you can see inside this container, inside this wrapper, this is the link, this is the title, and also this is the timestamp. So if we are able to like scrape all the data here, then we can extract the text within the specific class name to get what we want. And also it applies to this market banner as well. For example, this is the market symbol, market stock position, and this is the change percentage that we want here. Web scraper.py. Okay, so first I use Selenium library because this website is dynamic. I'm not able to use word requests and beautiful soup to do that without using Selenium. So yeah, first I get the data from the website. I I sleep for 5 seconds because the market banner doesn't automatically shows up the time you open the website. So it needs time to load. And I put the content into this file under the raw data folder and write it into the beautiful soup format. Open it and read the first 10 lines and print it out and close it. So let's see if it's working. Python 3 web scraper UI. So in case of Selenium, it actually opens up the website first, and then after everything is done, Firefox is automatically closed up. And these are the first 10 lines here. Oh, and also, in case you want to download the library Selenium, here's some instructions here. I recommend you to use this command to install it. Well, normally this simple command would work. Like after you use this, and then you can execute the script. But if it's not working, I recommend you to go here. You see the releases of the driver documents. You go to download the documents which are in like compatible with your machine, and you can refer to this link in Stack Overflow. Like install this library first and unzip the file and move it to this user local bin, change the permission, and also change the environment path. So after making sure that Selenium is running correctly on your machine, you're able to execute the script. And now it's time for us to check the data that we want using the data filter.py. So nano data filter.py. Let's take a look at it first. First, we need to open this HTML file. We read it and put it into the beautiful soup format. And as we saw before, there are class names, which is market data stash symbol, market card slash stock position, and market card slash changes percentage. And I choose to create lists for those data and put those lists into another big list. So what we're having is a list contains of lists inside this list called banner. And we transpose it in order to create a CSV file and add a header for each of the columns with open this CSV file. We write this header and the content that we just got from the HTML file, and after this width, everything is being created. And things are just the same for latest news. I simply created lists for news, time, and title and link, and put those lists inside this list. So the latest news is actually a list which has every time data, title data, link data for timestamp, headline, link, and headline title. And also after transposing it, and add a header and put the contents inside the CSV file, and everything has been created. So let's check it out if it's working. Python 3 data filter.py. So yeah, and everything is right in place. Let's go to data, process data. You see the time because it's just been created. Market data, let's take a look. Let's see if the data are up to date. I think so, right? plus 007 plus 007. And for the news data, 5 hours ago, China's rare earth dominance makes US blah blah blah. China's rare earth dominance makes US blah blah blah. And yeah, everything is right in place. I think this is what we need to do for lab 1, and thank you for watching.